Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV. Thanks for tuning in to TFBTV Showtime. This time we're here at GunCon at Brownells. I'm here with the boys from HUXWRX. Auburn, we have the brand new Flow762, right? Tell me all about it.
Yep, so we got this beautiful guy right here. So the Flow762 tie, you guys have all heard of our FLOW556k, so our first 3D printed product in 17/4 stainless steel. Now we decided to come out with our 30 cal can first, so we got this guy in titanium, so 3D printed in a grade 5 titanium. Really amazing with what you can do with 3D printing. It's making us a little bit more of a lighter weight, more durable product with the 3D printing manufacturing. So basically one welded type of product that gives you a little bit of million welds together that's just holding this beautiful piece here. And our biggest thing for this guy is you get flow-through technology, so that's our goal with the Flow product series. It's 3D printed with flow-through technology. Some added little changes to our flow-through design and making it a little bit more quieter, which is incredible. And what we're seeing with the 3D printed process as well is that you're getting a little bit more added performance in all of our different things that we cover. So you don't have to modify your weapon system is one of the added benefits. You don't have to add an adjustable gas block, a buffer spring, or a high pressure bolt where we save you some money there. And the biggest thing is we're really mitigating the toxic gas to your faces, which is what HUXWRX is. We stand for Human Exposure Workshop. So with anything we do, we want to make sure we're solving for that and all the health concerns with the toxic fumes that are coming to your face. Reduction of blowback, and that's part of that process. And so basically it gets you a little bit smoother shooting a gun, so you don't have high recoil. It's just, I think, really overall just an incredible product, man. It's Pew Science has some cool things about it with what it's doing on bolt action now, mixed with flow through and what that's able to do and the performances that you're getting out of that. I've shot this really on everything that you can think of, from 300 blackout stuff, subsonic, AK-47, so your 7.62 by 49, all the way up to your 308, 6.5 Creedmoors, 6 ARCs. It really covers all the bases and is incredible on every platform. So yeah, there's a lot to it.
Auburn, you did a great job of explaining what I get from flow-through,
Yep.
but what precisely is flow-through technology?
Yep, so flow-through technology, if I could kind of break it down to show you guys, it's really taking, well, I guess the best way to say it is with a standard traditional baffled system, most of the cases you're getting a thing called blowback, where it's taking all of that gas where it's going forward and it has one direction to go back, which is back into the system or through the bore. So flow-through is a system that is baffleless. It has some crazy intricate designs where what we're doing is taking the gases right out of the muzzle, spinning them through a vented system, going through our helical coils 3 different directions. So you go up the front, through the back, and out the front again. So taking all of that pressure, sending it forward, which is where you get the flow through. But with all the cool geometry and physics and designs that we put into this, we started figuring out ways in that process to make it kind of function in the way we want it to. So flow through now has a way for it to just have a better performance overall against traditional baffled stuff. And then what's cool is you have these vented caps where, because it's coming out forward, we also have a reverse threaded mechanism. We thought about this in our process. This kind of helps where it takes the angular pressure out and it helps with self-tightening it, creating a preventative walking, or creating a process where it prevents walk-offs and reducing the point of impact shift. So getting you a little bit more increased accuracy, and there's more added benefits to what flow through overall does compared to, I guess, traditional baffled stuff. So
Sure, very well said. How much is it going to cost? When's it coming out?
Yep, so this is out right now. It's available in FDE in black. You can get it with one of our kits with our muzzle brake. Right now that's, I want to say MSRP is about $13.50 on those, might be a little bit more. Actually, I think it's about $16.50 with those, so a little bit more expensive. But like I said, you're saving yourself from buying an adjustable gas block, having to tune your weapon system, so a buffer spring and basically a high pressure bolt or whatever else you need to put into it. And then we can now RMA process 3D printed technology with 3D printed technology, so there's no service life to these products. It's part of our limited lifetime manufacturing warranty. So we can now fix it in most cases, so don't blow up the can. But if you were to do something, have a baffle strike, because of some sort of manufacturing error on the barrel or whatever else, this thing is pretty much covered. So
Auburn, thank you so much for showing this to us.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from GunCon.